Hello everyone, welcome to Power Distribution channel. Today in this very sunny day, we are going to replace two sets of surge arresters which have been struck by lightning twice and damaged the surge arrestor altogether. This job will be carried out by the live maintenance crew on these two express feeder. These two distribution feeder are constantly loaded with 400 amps of current, which supplying a big yarn factory in close vicinity. As you can see, these two express feeder are terminated and cross this big canal using conventional overhead lines. These are the ground crew unbox and prepare the surge arrestor with its cage. One set of the arrestor are ready to be installed, and the other crew prepares the jumper for the arresters. The linemen are climb and approach the arrestor assembly, and they are starting to remove the old arresters using a bucket truck. First, they remove the primary jumpers that connect the tip of the arrestor to the end of the termination. Meanwhile, the ground crews are preparing another set of surge arresters to be installed on the other pole. These distribution surge arresters are made out of polymer instead of ceramic, which is lighter, but it's hard to spot when this device fails. It just doesn't break if lightning impulse strike compared to conventional ceramic type. Now all the old assembly has been removed and the crew is ready to install fresh arrestor on the termination assembly. Before they install the new arrestors, they decide to put some blankets on the live parts of the termination to add extra safety. Before they install the arresters, they decide to put some blanket on the live part of the termination to add some extra safety. After that, they install the arrestor assembly on the crossarm of this termination. And the ground crew prepares another jumper using automatic hydraulic press. And the live crew pick up and bring the jumper to be installed. They fasten all the bolts that hold the arrestor before they install the jumper. Then the crew attach the bare cover at the bottom of the arrestor to the common neutral or neutral system of the feeders. After finish that, the crew then install the jumpers on the tip of the arrestor and shape it so that it aligns with the tip of the termination. And now the crew ready to attach the jumpers to the live parts of the termination carefully. And last but not least, they attach the jumper using a 19mm bolt. That's you have it guys, the replacement process of surge arrestor using live contact method. If you enjoy the content, please don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. Thank you.